Hello?
Jesus, you scared the shit out of me, man.
Sorry. Didn't mean to.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Look, I don't want to come across as judgmental, but are you homeless?
No, not really.
Not really. What? Are you sure you're okay?
Yeah. Listen, we should get going now.
Well, get going.
Yeah, I need to show you something, man. Come on.
Look, I just want to get home, okay?
I know you do.
Look, I'm just gonna take care.
Listen, I know the way, okay? Back to the road, I know the way.
You know the way back to the road?
How you feel now, Barry?
Feeling alright? Wait a second, how did you know my name?
We introduced ourselves earlier.
No, we didn't.
Okay, well... Danny,
But no, how did you know my name?
you look like a Barry.
Okay, what's going on here, man?
Look, if you go through that way, you'll find your way, alright?
Through here?
Yeah.
Isn't that where I woke up?
Look, man, maybe it is, I don't know, okay? Maybe it is.
Oh, true. Here, yeah?
It's okay, Barry.
What's going on, man?
I'm sorry, Barry!
You fucking bastard! What did you do to me?
You were murdered, okay? You were murdered!
What? Where's it gone?
Barry, you're dead. You're dead, man. I'm sorry, you're dead.
What?
That's why I'm here too. We were both murdered, man.
How can you say these things?
Because they're true! Now think back. What were you doing here? Where were you going? Think, you must remember something. Think!
So, how did you find out that you were murdered?
Same as yourself. Found myself. Lying in the sand.
How long have you been here?
I don't know, actually.
Things will make more sense someday, man.
How do you know?
I just know. I've acquired some faith.
So, what do we do now?
We wait.
We wait. For what?
For others.
Others?
For others, man. Other people could need guidance like you had guidance.
I think I've acquired some of that faith you were talking about.